Play brings joy to the heart, and where the body is steady, the mind remembers happiness. Today is not just about races and drills, it is about watching growth unfold. It is about tiny steps turning into big milestones. And most importantly, it's about children feeling proud simply for trying. At Vatsalyam, we believe that strong roots are nurtured through love, play, and positive experiences. Sports play a vital role in early development and hence balance, coordination, confidence, and emotional strength. May I ask you something? Do you remember the first time your child learned to walk? Or the first time they ran without falling? Today, you will witness many such moments again. Moments that may seem small but mean the world to them. Your presence today means more than you may realize. For young children, seeing familiar faces in the audience gives them courage, comfort, and confidence. And that is the true spirit of today. At the same time, let me mention if they see you standing up or moving here and there, they are going to get distracted. अगर वो आपको देखेंगे कि आप उठ रहे हो या घूम रहे हो तो वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे. सो प्लीज़ आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, आप अपनी जगह पे बैठे रहें. प्लीज़ बी सीटेड ऑन योर सीट, डोंट मूव. टीचर्स और सपोर्ट स्टाफ अंदर है ग्रीन रूम में, दे आर टेकिंग गुड केयर ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन. डोंट वरी, just trust us. So enjoy the program, sit patiently. We also have photography and videography is going on. So you don't need to stand up for taking photos or videos. You will be getting a link after the program gets over. As we prepare for the very first event, let us reflect on a small thought. Children do not grow overnight. Growth happens step by step, day by day. So now, as we already use the stick with red and green circles, let us have a quick question. Parents, show us a green circle if this is your child's first sports day. Okay, wonderful. Okay, now show me a red circle if you are ready to enjoy the show. Oh, lovely. Everyone is ready. So let us take a moment to understand the significance of the mashal first. The mashal symbolizes hope and energy, unity and togetherness, the guiding light that leads children forward. As the mashal moves ahead today, it marks the official commencement of our sports day. May this light inspire positivity, confidence, and active learning throughout the day. At preschool level, a march is not about perfect steps. It is about confidence. coordination, and courage. Okay, so let us start the march past now. Our children are ready. Along with the march, we will experience the soul of our institution, the Vatsalyam anthem. Please put your hands together to welcome our young athletes. This anthem reflects our vision of nurturing young minds with love, values, and care. How was it, parents? Yes, yes, we cannot hear your claps. Or zor se. Very good. Okay. The march past reminds us that discipline begins gently and confidence grows with appreciation. For these young children, simply standing tall and walking forward is a significant achievement. Applause is the strongest reward they can receive. Thank you for giving them a huge round of applause. While the next event is being set up, we thank you for your patience. Preschool events move at a gentle pace, and that's exactly how childhood should be. Thank you for being here today not just as spectators, but as the strongest pillars of encouragement for the little ones. Your presence, smiles, and applause give them confidence that no trophy can ever give them. At Vatsalyam, we believe childhood is about nurturing strong roots, roots of confidence, joy, physical well being, and emotional security. Sports and movement are essential part of this journey, and today's celebration reflects that belief. As our tiny toddlers prepare for their drill, here is a gentle thought. Every little step today becomes a giant leap tomorrow. This drill helps build rhythm, coordination, and listening skills. Let us welcome our Rainbow Rockers for a rocking performance. Name of the participants are Ditya Mehta paired with Gunit Marathe, Swarnika Sharma paired with Pranshi Sharma, O.V. Vaidya paired with Rutvi Kelkar, Atvik Karthikeyan paired with Vidhi Gupta, Pranshul Thakkar paired with Savi Shah. Are we all ready? Rainbow Rockers! That was an amazing drill. It was fun to watch toddlers move swiftly. Let us encourage the children with applause as they make their way for the next group. Wonderful children. While the next group prepares, let me share a quick fun fact. Did you know that movement-based activities improves memory and focus in children? Okay, show me a green circle if you like to dance. Oh, so many of you like to dance. And do you like to watch children dancing? Yes, of course. When the children dance, they are just into their own world of enjoying the moves and feeling the happiness. Once a teacher asked children what they wanted to be when they grow up. One child replied, kind. That is the dream we nurture here. While the children assemble, can we all travel down the memory lane and think about our school functions? चलो पेरेंट्स हम अपने स्कूल के दिन याद करते हैं. अभी मैं आपसे 3 सवाल पूछूंगी. अगर आपका आंसर यस है तो आपको मुझे ग्रीन सर्कल दिखाना है. अगर आपका आंसर नो है तो आपको मुझे रेड सर्कल दिखाना है. ओके, हाउ मेनी पेरेंट्स रिमेंबर feeling nervous during school functions? स्कूल के functions के वक्त कौन कौन nervous feel करता था? Show me a green circle if it is yes. अगर आपका आंसर yes है, अगर आप nervous feel करते थे तो green circle दिखाइए. Okay, so we have many confident parents as well. Okay, how many parents feel that their children are more confident than them? आप में से कितनों को लगता है कि आपके बच्चे आपसे ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट है? And now the last question. Who agrees that children grow up faster than we expect? किसको लगता है बच्चे बहुत जल्दी बड़े हो रहे हैं? Yes, very true. Can we please encourage them with warm clapping as they confidently start their performance? This is the moves and grooves drill by our tiny tots. Stomp, clap, cheer. The best drills are here. The name of the participants of this drill are Pranshul Goswami, Kiara Desai, Manushi Maurya, Tanmay Agarwal, Manshvi Gami, Ashwika Singh, Anahita Changa, Krishant Varkate, Manya Ramani, Nivanshi Daya, Avni Sirsikar. Now look at me, respecting not the only way. If you wanna come with me. The door is open every day. That's 1+2 rendezvous, all invited. That's what we do, how we do. Look who we are the dreamers. We make it happen. Guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers. We make it happen. Cause we can see it. Cause to the one that keep the passion, respect. Oh yeah. Cause to the one that can imagine, respect. Oh yeah. We are the dreamers, we make it happen. Guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen. Cause we can see it. Cause to the one that keep the passion, respect. Oh yeah. Cause to the one that can imagine, respect. Oh yeah. Excellent performance. Wonderful energy and enthusiasm, right? Okay. As we move ahead in today's program, we now have a very special activity, the Great Tali Transition, a joyful blend of mindfulness and movement. Before we begin, let us take a moment to understand why clapping is so important, especially for young children. Clapping may look simple, but it is actually a very powerful activity. When children clap, it improves the eye hand coordination, it strengthens their fine motor skills, helps develop focus and attention, encourages rhythm and body awareness. In traditional Indian wellness practices, clapping is believed to activate pressure points in the palms, which helps stimulate the brain and improve circulation. That is why clapping has always been a part of prayers, music, and celebrations. For children, clapping also builds something even more important, that is confidence. When they clap together, they feel connected, included, and encouraged. Parents, while the children get comfortably settled, let us take a short, mindful pause together. I invite all parents to join us in a very short, gentle clap activity. Okay, this activity doesn't need standing up. Please be seated on your place. एकदम रिलैक्स हो जाइए, अपने पैर ज़मीन पर टिका दीजिए. Place your feet flat on the ground. Relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Now let's softly clap 5 times, slowly at your own pace. Did you notice how slowing down instantly brings calm? Now let's try a small rhythmic clap. Okay, you all have to clap in the rhythm of 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let us all clap together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let us change the rhythm. Let us clap in the rhythm of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, clap. 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 Wonderful. Thank you, parents. This simple rhythm helps children and adults improve focus and coordination. Thank you for participating. This small activity is exactly what Tali Yoga is all about, bringing together movement, rhythm, awareness, and joy. As the children now get ready for their great Tali transition, we invite you to watch how naturally they connect movement with mindfulness. Please enjoy the performance and remember, every clap you give them builds their confidence. As the children get into position, a simple thought to hold on to: when hearts beat together and hands clap in rhythm, learning becomes joyful. Children, are we all ready for the Tali transition? Yes.
क्या ही बात है, भोले शंकरा तेरी क्या ही बात है, दूर होके भी तो साथ है, ओ दूर होके भी तो साथ है। उसको मैं कर दूंगा तुझको समर्पण, मैं तेरा आंसू हूँ तू मेरा दर्पण, तेरे ही होने से मेरी ये सारी जिंदगी सजी है, लगी मेरी तेरे संग लगी ओ मेरे शंकरा, लगी मेरी तेरे संग लगी ओ मेरे शंकरा, लगी मेरी प्रीत तेरे संग मेरे शंकरा, लगी मेरी प्रीत लगी मेरी प्रीत तेरे संग मेरे शंकरा यावद पुमानाथ पादारविंदम भजन्ति लोके परिवानराणां न तावत् सुखं शान्ति सन्तापनाशं प्रसीद प्रभो सर्वभूतानि वासं ध्यान में है मगन तन पे ओढ़ के रचोली मुझे अपने रंग में रंग दे संग खेल में होली आसन है नीचे ना है कोई खटोली मुझे अपने रंग में रंग दे संग खेल में होली मस्ती करो अब मेरे शंकरा भांग रगड़ के बोलिए गौरा तुम नहीं रजे हो गोरा बात के रजी है लगी मेरी तेरे संग लगी ओ मेरे शंकरा लगी मेरी तेरे संग लगी ओ मेरे शंकरा लगी मेरी प्रीत तेरे संग मेरे शंकरा लगी मेरी प्रीत तेरे संग मेरे शंकरा लगी मेरी तेरे संग लगी ओ 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 मेरे शंकरा
Wasn't that relaxing, parents? Yes, show me green if you liked it. Yes, it was really very relaxing. Okay, you know what? When parents are happy, children automatically becomes happy. So stay happy always, and your children will always be happy. Now we will further start to the we will further move to the races. Now we have the races coming up next. Let us cheer for our little athletes. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Okay, once again I will repeat the instructions. Parents, प्लीज़ आपके बच्चे जब रेस कर रहे होंगे आप खड़े मत होना, आप बैठ के देखना, चिल्ड्रन डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं. ओके पेरेंट्स, प्लीज़ रिमेंबर वन थिंग, विनिंग इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, पार्टिसिपेशन इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. ये बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, यही सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट बात है. हियर वी हैव आवर फर्स्ट रेस, द पिरामिड पॉप रेस. This activity focuses on patience and coordination. The name of the participants are Kiara Desai, Avni Sirsikar, Tanmay Agarwal, Manushi Maurya and Manya Rudani. We will have 2 winners from this race. सबने देख ही लिया होगा. फर्स्ट इज कियारा देसाई एंड सेकेंड इज अवनी सिरसीकर. A famous saying reminds us, little by little, a little becomes a lot. While the children get ready, we request parents to sit back, relax and enjoy these moments, because these are the memories that will stay forever. Parents, please raise your hand and show us green if you took a leave from work today to be here. So nice. Very nice. Okay. Now Show me a green circle if you have already clicked at least one photo of your child before handing over the child to us. So many parents have taken the photo, yes. And now the last thing, show us a green circle again if you feel proud watching your child perform here. Yes, thank you. Your presence truly matters. Next up is the Happy Hoppers Race by Senior KG Boys. The name of the participants are Krishant Varkate, Pranshul Thakkar, and Hetansh Prajapati. We have only 3 present today, so we will have just one winner for this race. Wonderful. Because of medical emergency, other 2 students are absent. So we just have 3 students for the race. Purnima ma'am, can we know the name of the
So our little hoppers race first is Hetansh Prajapati.
Coming up next, we have the adorable little weight lifters. A gentle reminder for toddlers, lifting even a small object builds strength and confidence. Next up is the Little Weightlifters Race by our Todd Care children. The name of the participants are Pranshi Sharma, Gunit Marathe, Savi Shah, Rutvi Kelkar, Love Thanki, and Vidhi Gupta. All the children will be winner of the race.
मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी पग पग प्यारे दंगल 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 सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल 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 माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी पग पग प्यारे दंगल 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 धड़कने छाती में जब दुबक जाती हैं पीठ थप थपा उनको फिर जगह बात बन जाती है सावले हाथी सी हर चुनौती है रे सामने खड़ी घूर के बड़ी आंख दिखलाती है तो आंख से उसकी आंख मिला के भिड़ जाने का नाम है प्यारे दंगल 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 सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में.
The next race by junior KG children, it is the cup on trip race. While the arrangements are made, parents, what do you think? Do you believe that balance is the key of life? Yes, do you believe that balance होना चाहिए life में? कौन सा balance होना चाहिए? बैलेंस होना चाहिए, सभी प्रकार का बैलेंस होना चाहिए एक्चुअली, फिजिकल, इमोशनल, वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस, एवरीथिंग. बैंक बैलेंस. Very true, very true. Okay, now our kids are ready for the next race. It is the cup on trip race. The cups are going on a trip. The name of the participants are Pranshul Goswami, Tanisha Gehlot, Ovi Vaidya, Ashvika Singh, and Anahita Changra. In this race, we will have two winners. Try hard to balance the cups. Motivate them with your claps, parents. Yes.
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया. The winners of Upon Trip is first Ovi Vaidya and second Tanisha Gehlot. अपनी ये नाव है, बादल पे पाँव है, या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी, अपनी ये नाव है.
Something for you. First, show me a green circle if you miss your sports day. Did you participate in your sports day during your school times? Yes. Okay, are you missing your old school days? Actually, golden school days. We really had a great time. I agree to you. Okay, so now we have a surprise for you all. We have a box of chits. And in those chits, we have the name of children. And जिसका भी नाम निकलेगा उसके पेरेंट्स इधर आएंगे पेरेंट्स रेस के लिए. कोई भी 2 फैमिली मेंबर्स आ सकते हैं उस बच्चे के because it is a partner race. Come in pairs. We will have 8 pairs. Okay. We are drawing the chit. Reshu ma'am is drawing the chit.
Dhruv Pandey. Parents of Dhruv Pandey.
Parents of Dhruv Pandey. Any 2 family members? Any two. Next we have
Davish Singh. Parents.
Tavish Singh's parents. Krisha Rawal. Ditya Mehta. 2 members from Ditya's family.
Pranshul Goswami.
Pranshul
Parents of
Goswami.
Pranshul Goswami. Vivansha.
Vivansha.
Shlok Patel.
Shlok
Shlok
Patel.
Advik Kartikeyan.
Advik parents. Advik parents.
Come on.
Come on, please.
Nothing is tough. बहुत easy है. You will love it.
Okay. Okay. The name of the race is दे ताली. आपको ताली देनी है आपके पार्टनर को. एक पार्टनर इधर खड़ा रहेगा, एक पार्टनर उस तरफ खड़ा रहेगा. Yeah, one parent will stand here, one family member will stand on this side, the other will stand on the other side. And then यहाँ से जो जब रेस स्टार्ट होगी तो यहाँ पे जो पार्टनर है वो रन करके उस तरफ जाएगा. उस तरफ के जो पार्टनर है उसके हाथ में ताली देगा और वो पार्टनर दौड़ के इधर आएगा. यहाँ से जो जाएंगे वो इधर खड़े रह जाएंगे और उधर जो पार्टनर है वो रन करके वापस आएंगे. ओके, अंडरस्टूड?
नहीं
आपने बहुत अच्छे से दौड़ा. So first is Ditya's parents and second position Advik parents. So please, Ditya's parents and Advik parents, please come here. Up next is the Winter Vibes Race by Balvatika children. In every season, there is a reason to smile. Let us welcome our Balvatika children with their cozy winter wears. The name of the participants are Krishiv Sidpura, Advik Karthikeyan, Shreyansh Kumar and Man Raval. Keep clapping, parents. They're getting ready for the winter. Very good, children.
C'est pas seulement pour les bobos, nous vient dans nos mambo. Mon ami, si tu as le niveau, rejoins-nous pour t'enjailler. On t'invite à la magie, y a pas de raccourci. Oublie tes soucis et viens faire la folie. On t'invite à la magie, y a pas de raccourci. Oublie tes soucis. Oh, 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 oh. Magic System. Bonjour nous. Ouais, ça change pas. Ah ouais. Ah, Shoki avec Red One. Est-ce que ça marche? Ça marche. On vient du ghetto pour aller plus haut. Avec les magiciens, c'est ready go. On vient du ghetto pour aller plus
Very nice,
haut. Avec les
wonderful.
magiciens. Oh, oh, oh.
Trying is more important than winning. Each one of them kept trying. They did not quit. That is the lesson they learned today.
So our Winter Vibes winner is Advik Karthikeyan.
आप ताली नहीं बजाओगे तो आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे आप ही के बच्चे आपको इनको आगे बढ़ाने हमारी क्लैपिंग को वो रोज सुनते हैं आप लोग आज क्लैप करोगे तो वो आगे बढ़ेंगे
Before we move on to the next race, parents, while the next group is getting ready, let me share a simple thought with you all. In early childhood, success is not measured by speed or strength. It is measured by courage, the courage to step forward. Every time a child participates today, it is a small win for them. And small wins repeated with encouragement builds strong confidence in them. Parents, may we ask you to take a moment to look around the ground. Look at the smiles, look at the excitement, look at the pride in the air. Put your hands together, clap for them. Next, we have the Busy Bees Run by Senior KG Girls. This fun race helps develop balance and coordination. Name of the participants are Manshvi Gami, Samiksha Bhadoria, Nivanshi Daya, Swarnika Sharma, Rushika Khoraba, and Ditya Mehta. We will have 2 winners from this race.
बस खुद की ही सुनता बातें
Yes, wonderful.
So winners of Busy Bee Run is first Rushika Khoraba and second Swarnika Sharma. Please clap for them.
Next, we have the book balancing race. This race is by our daycare children. This activity improves balancing skills and focus. Let me share a small thought. Strong minds begin with balanced bodies. The name of the participants for this race are Shlok Patel, Naren Karthikeyan, Tavish Singh, Riyan Chaudhary, Pranit Mishra, Pranusha Mishra, Rayansh Joshi, Harit Rabadia, Hitarth Rabadia. We will have 3 winners from this race. They are getting ready. They are balancing this book on their back.
So winners of book on back, first Shlok Patel, second Pranit Mishra and third Harit Rabaria. Please clap for them, parents.
Did you know just 20 minutes of physical activity helps children improve their attention span, emotional regulation, and sleep quality? So, parents, please make sure that these 3 things are inculcated in their daily lives. Today, through every race and drill, young children are learning skills that will last a lifetime. Our young children from daycare are ready for the Stack the Ring race. Name of the participants for this race are Krisha Rawal, Devdutt Singh Pakira, Arnav Saxena, Dhruv Pandey, and Vivansh Shah. We will have 2 winners from this race.
तेरा भी दिन अब आएगा बस एक बार तो सुन ले तेरी दिल की पुकार दिल की पुकार ओ दिल की पुकार दिल की पुकार ओ सुन ले
The winners of Stack the Ring, first Dhruv Pandey,
Wonderful. Parents, show me a green circle if you are enjoying the evening so far. Yes, I can see every one of you is enjoying. Okay, next we have drag the ball race by our daycare children again. Name of the participants are Kea Asnani, Bhanvi Mishra, Devansh Soni, Vani Prajapati. We will have one winner from this race.
हम कौन है हम क्या है दुनिया को दिखाएंगे
Wonderful.
The winners of Drag the Ball is Bhanvi Mishra.
कोई रोके चाहे बाएं से कोई रोके चाहे बाएं से बाएं से दाएं से बाएं दाएं बाएं से कोई रोके चाहे बाएं से कोई रोके चाहे बाएं से पर हम तो हवा के झोंके हैं
Hello parents. How was it? How is it going? Great? Yes, very nice. Now the races are over. Guess what? What next? What next? Yes, one more surprise for you. Same system, we will have the draw system. Again, we need 2 family members of those children. The race will be different, but don't worry.
Love Thanki.
Love Thanki.
Vidhi Gupta, parent of Vidhi Gupta. Pranshul Thakur. Bhanvi Mishra. Nivanshi Daya.
निवांशी दैया
आप सब ये पिक्चर्स अपने स्कूल और कॉलेज के ग्रुप में भेज सकते हो। ये वी हैव गॉन बैक टू आवर स्पोर्ट्स डेज है कि नहीं?
एक और
मैं तो सबसे पहले भेजता।
वो भी वैद्य।
अरे तुरंत करेगा, कंपटीशन हो जाएगा तुरंत। वो से बोले यार ये बढ़िया चीज है।
Now we have the crab walk race for parents. Ruchi ma'am and Forum ma'am, can you demonstrate how they have to walk?
Slow walk, huh?
Slow walk. Starting point is at that side, and this is the finishing line. Coordination.
Coordination.
हाँ.
नहीं सब भाई अच्छा गाँव वाले हैं। मारो। चलना ही है ना, भागना नहीं है। मैम फिर से रिटर्न आने का? नहीं, रिटर्न नहीं आना।
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी। सिद्ध से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा।
Reshu ma'am.
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी। सिद्ध से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा।
We will have 2 winners. 2 winners from this race. Ready parents?
हम तो भटमालों में अखरोट का बिजनेस करते हैं।
पूरी हमले में कौन कौन शामिल था? मुझे नाम चाहिए।
उन्हें कश्मीर चाहिए और हमें उनका सर।
कोई नहीं मैम, बैठ जाओ।
Are you ready, boys? How's the judge? How's the judge? जय हिंद।
Parents, now we have the grand finale. The races are over. All the children are here for the grand finale.
Are you ready?
Parents, thank you for being so patient and watching the whole sports day so nicely. बस अब last 40 minutes है, we expect the same patience from you all. After the grand finale, we will move towards awards and medal distribution. So please be seated. अपनी जगह पे बैठे रहना, please parents. Parents, you can also dance from your seats.
हमको मक्खी नहीं मारना, हर बार जीतेंगे हम, पापा हमको नहीं हारना। हम हुकुम के इक्के हैं सुबह के पक्के, हम हुकुम के इक्के सुबह के पक्के, खाके सवेरे जो एड़े से टेढ़े बने हैं तो हम क्या करें? जोर लगा के जान लड़ा के बोलना। बोलना।
How was the grand finale, parents? Wonderful.
हम आपको बच्चे हैंड ओवर कर रहे हैं बी हियर ओनली, क्योंकि हमारी अवार्ड सेरेमनीज बाकी हैं। ओके, तो जैसे ही हम नाम बोलते हैं एक पेरेंट उस बच्चे को लेने के लिए आएंगे। नाउ पेरेंट्स ऑफ सीनियर केजी प्रांशुल ठक्कर, हेतांश प्रजापति, रुशिका खोराबा, निवांशी दहिया, स्वर्णिका शर्मा, समीक्षा भदौरिया एंड दित्या मेहता।
Now we begin with the Nityam Awards. Nityam Awards, we will call the children's name. First, we will like to call upon Vidhi Gupta from Todd Care. Vidhi Gupta. This award is awarded to the children for 100% attendance. Vidhi Gupta. Clap for Vidhi. Next, we will have Kiara Desai. Please be ready, Kiara Desai from beginners class. Kiara Desai. Wow, second time in a row. Congratulations. Next, Pranshul Goswami, please be ready. Pranshul Goswami from junior KG class. Wonderful. It's actually for the parents who keep them motivated and the teachers who make them feel so glad to come here to school. Next we have Pranshul Thakkar from senior KG class. Pranshul Thakkar from senior KG class. He is also getting this award second time in a row. Clap for him. Wonderful bacha. Last award, but not the least, it goes to Advik Karthikeyan from Balvatika. Second in a row. Wonderful, Advik. Thank you, parents. Now we have the Parents Appreciation Ceremony. We acknowledge the efforts of mothers by a small token of appreciation. We appreciate the mothers for working so hard and putting in their best efforts and their active participation during all the events of the year. Special thanks to Kia's mother Rashi Asnani for helping us select our winners. Thank you, Rashi ma'am. First, I'll call upon Okay, I'll just announce the names. Please be ready, mothers. Advik Karthikeyan's mother, V. Saganya. Ma'am, please come. It's for mothers. We appreciate your active participation. Congratulations, ma'am. Next we have Gayatri Patil, mother of, okay. Now we have Radhika Khoraba, mother of Rushika Khoraba. Parents, why are we not clapping for the mothers? Next time it can be any of you. Next we have Deepika Prajapati ji, mother of Hetansh Prajapati. Parents of Nivanshi Daya. Nivanshi Daya ના પેરેન્ટ્સ અહીંયા આવો અને આ સર્ટિફિકેટ લઈ જાઓ. Next is Swati Sharma ji, mother of Swarnika Sharma. Mother of Swarnika Sharma. Ruchita Thakkar ji, please be ready. Ruchita Thakkar ji, mother of Pranshul Thakkar. Mr. Gaurav Vaidya, father of O.V. Vaidya. Thank you, sir, for your active participation. Miss Priyanka Changra, mother of Anahita Changra. Tanisha's mother, please be ready next. Mrs. Usha Gehlot, Tanisha's mother. Gargi is also our ex-student, and ma'am has always participated actively. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Shivangi Desai, ma'am, mother of Kiara Desai. Okay. She is getting this award for the second time. Congratulations, ma'am. Thank you so much. Next, Sonal, ma'am. Sonal Agarwal, mother of Tanmay Agarwal. Sonal Agarwal, mother of Tanmay Agarwal. Akriti Maurya, mother of Manushi Maurya. Akriti ma'am. Yes sir, even you can come and collect the award on behalf of ma'am. Next we have Neha Gupta ma'am, mother of Vidhi Gupta. Neha Gupta ma'am. Oh wow. Mother and daughter both are getting the awards. Vaishali Kelkar ma'am, mother of Rutvi Kelkar. Vaishali Kelkar ma'am. Renuka Marathe ma'am, mother of Gunit Marathe. Renuka ma'am. Renuka ma'am, are you here? Alright. Shweta Shah ma'am, mother of Savisha. Shweta Shah, mother of Savisha. Now I would call upon Rashi Asnani. Rashi ma'am, please come here. We are grateful to you for helping us select our winners. Clap for all the parents. Hetansh Prajapati. Hetansh, please come here. I request our dear Nanu. Nanu, please come here. The children want you to be here. Yes, Nanu is coming. Where is Nani? Our dear Nani. नानी आप भी आ जाइए। Anushri, are you still here? Anushri Maurya. શૈલેષભાઈ તમારા માટે છે આ સ્પેશિયલ થેન્ક યુ.
સ્પેશિયલ થેન્ક યુ ઓલવેઝ. ઉભા રહો.
રેડી હો તો તમે અમારા માટે.
થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. તમે તો
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for making the Khelotsav 2026 a wonderful success. Thank you and good night.